Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 30 weeks of the pocket letter, week 24th, which is November 17th. And I'm going to tell you what I used and then I'll show you. I started out with this little paper scrapbooking with a stencil. I believe this is, Target. I think it's from last year. So the front I used this paper, straight, and this one. And then in the back, I used these two. I thought it was pretty. I liked it. And I think it worked out great with what and I used the rub-on transfers. And now when I use rub-ons, I rub them on a piece of cardstock and I fussy cut them out like die cuts. So I used this one. And then I used some ribbon and some blue and pink. Very simple layout on this one. So, and I have lace going down the edge, and I have lace going down with the blue, and then I have those little pumpkins, and then in this, of course, there's the straight paper, and in the center I used the lace with the pink, and then the blue again. I didn't go all out on. It's just very subtle. I thought I liked how it looked. And then right here as well. And that one. And in the center I went this way. Down I went that way. And like I said, just very subtle. I just left it. I thought just the color of the paper and the color of the pumpkins, that it didn't need anything else. Just very soft and pretty. So I'll show you. I just thought soft and pretty. So, and then on the back, I used two of the rub-ons. Oops. I used the fall one, and I used the leaf one, and I also used one of these, bling. That's what's on the back. And of course, the paper again was the flower or the leaf, this pattern, and that one. And here we go. Like I said, I didn't do a lot. I left it really soft, and I don't know to describe it, but I used two of the rub-ons. I would put some bling into some leaves, and then I have fall and some of the leaves, a little bit of bling and those leaves. I have hello autumn in the center with the leaf, and then just a little square, some leaves here, same pattern here. Everything's real patterned on it. And then the bling and leaf, and then fall, and then leaves and bling. And that's the back. The first row, the second row, and the third. Like I said, very soft and subtle. I mean, I added bling to this one, but I thought it worked because of the color of the bling. It's like it's light green or turquoise with the gold. I just thought it was really pretty, and it just added to it, and that's the way I let it go. So that's the back, and then of course the front, really soft and. I hope you enjoyed this one. Like I said, this is week 24, November 17th. Not halfway through November, guys. And then I can be done with November and get my Christmas stuff out to do my Christmas pocket letters for the month of December. And that's the last month. It's been 30 weeks. Wow. So I thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.